The brain communicates through a complex network of specialized cells called neurons. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system and are responsible for transmitting and processing information in the brain. At the most basic level, communication between neurons occurs through electrical and chemical signals. When a neuron receives a stimulus or input, it generates an electrical signal called an action potential. This electrical signal travels along the neuron's axon, a long, slender projection that extends from the cell body. The axon of one neuron is connected to the dendrites of other neurons through tiny gaps called synapses. When the electrical signal reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters into the synapse. These neurotransmitters then bind to receptors on the dendrites of the receiving neuron, transmitting the signal from one neuron to the next. This process of transmitting information from one neuron to another is known as synaptic transmission. It allows the brain to process and integrate information from various sources, such as sensory inputs or memories, and generate appropriate responses. It's important to note that the brain's communication is not a linear process but rather a highly interconnected network. Neurons form complex circuits and pathways, allowing for the integration and coordination of different brain functions. Different regions of the brain specialize in specific tasks, such as vision, language, or motor control, and communication between neurons within and across these regions enables the brain to carry out complex cognitive processes. Furthermore, the brain's communication is not limited to individual neurons but also involves larger-scale networks and patterns of activity. Neuronal activity is influenced by factors such as attention, emotions, and learning, leading to the formation of complex neural representations and patterns of activation. In recent years, advancements in neuroimaging techniques, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, and electroencephalography, EEG, have provided researchers with insights into the patterns of brain activity associated with different cognitive processes. These techniques allow us to observe and study how different regions of the brain communicate and interact with each other. In summary, the brain communicates through a complex network of neurons that transmit and process information using electrical and chemical signals. This intricate communication system enables the brain to carry out a wide range of cognitive functions and behaviors.